Good afternoon, my dear kids. How you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine and you all are safe. Correct? Okay, ma. So, last week till page number 28, that sports page, right? So, till that we completed in the last class. So, today we are going to see only 3 pages. Page number 29, 30 and 31. Okay, so now I am going to take page number 29. So before that, all of you take your textbooks, pencils, erasers, everything. So today, shall I start the countdown? Okay, so while I am starting the countdown, students, you have to go, you have to run fast and take all your things, all the necessary items for writing GK. Okay, shall I start the countdown? Tick tick 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go to page number 29. So, see. So, this is just a oral questions, okay? Just like cartoon items. From there, the questions they have asked. And you have to write the answer. So, the first question, see this picture. Is Fred Flintstone's, he is the Fred Flintstone's best friend's name Barney. Okay, ma, this is the cartoon. The Fred Flintstone's best friend's name Barney? Yes. So, first question, you write there yes. What's the spelling of yes? Y-E-S. Yes. Then, see second question. Does Tom chase Jerry or does Jerry chase Tom? So, we all know, right? This Tom, he only chasing this Jerry. So, what's the correct answer? Tom chase Jerry. Tom chase Jerry or Jerry chase Tom. What's the right answer? We all know, correct? We all will see the cartoon. So, in that, Tom only chasing this Jerry. So, third question, this one, see. Does Poppy eat cabbage to become strong? No, right? He will eat the spinach. Poppy, he will eat the spinach. So, what's the answer? No. No. He will eat or he eats. You can write like that also. Okay. He eats spinach. He eats spinach. See the fourth question. Who is Shaggy's best friend? Who is Shaggy's best friend? Scooby-Doo, right? So the Shaggy's best friend is Scooby-Doo. What's the spelling of Scooby? S-C-O-O-B-Y. Scooby-Doo. D-O-O-Doo. So Shaggy's best friend is Scooby-Doo. And this everyone knows, right? Who does Peter Parker become when he wears his superhero costume? Who does Peter Parker become when he wears his superhero costume? Yes, who is he? Spider-Man. Very good. Spider-man. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. M-A-N. Spider-Man. Then. Sixth one. Who is this man? Name him. Who is this children? Children, you all know, right? Who is he? What is his name? Name him Ben. Very good. Ben. B-E-N. Ben. Then seventh question. See. What is the name of the panda in the film Kung Fu Panda? What's the name of the panda in the film Kung Fu Panda? Yes, po, P-O, po. Right? Then. Which cat is always chasing Tweety Bird? Which cat is always chasing Tweety Bird? Sylvester. Shall I write? Sylvester. Sylvester. There was a ninth question. Which rabbit says, "What's up, dog?" Which rabbit says, "What's up, dog?" Bugs Bunny. Bugs, B-U-G-S. Bugs Bunny, B-U-N-N-Y. Bunny. So first question is Fred Flintstone's best friend's name is Barney? Yes. Does Tom chase Jerry or does Jerry chase Tom? Tom chase Jerry. Does Poppy eat cabbage to become strong? No, he eats spinach. Fourth one. Who is Shaggy's best friend? Scooby-Doo. Who does Peter Parker become when he wears his superhero costume? Spider-Man. Name him this boy. Ben. What is the name of the panda in the film Kung Fu Panda? Pooh. Which cat is always chasing Tweety Bird? Sylvester. Which rabbit says, "What's up, dog?" Bugs Bunny. Okay, children. So clear? And did you all write? Okay, wait 2 minutes. I will keep like this. Copy this. Shall I take the next page? Shall I move? Okay. So now it's the festival. So 4 festivals they have given and we have to identify what are the festivals of each questions. So first one, see. They are lighting crackers and the children they are enjoying. The home there it's decorated with lights. Right? So what is the function? Diwali. The function of lights is Diwali. What's the spelling of Diwali? D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. So it's a Muslim function, right? They have kept the cap and they are standing in front of mosque and they are wishing with huggings, right? So which means it's a function of Muslims. And what's the name of the function? Eid. E-I-D, Eid. Here you see. What is this? They are spreading the colors to everyone. So which function they will spread the colors? During Holi, right? During Holi, the people, they will be spreading colors to each other. So what's the name of the function? Holi. And here, by seeing the Santa Claus itself, we can able to identify it's a Christmas. And now it's a month of December. So the month of love, joy and happiness, right? So it's a Christmas month. So he is wearing Santa Claus dress and he is said to as Santa. So what's the function? See Christmas tree. And what's the function? Christmas. So first one, they are lighting the crackers. So the name of the function is Diwali. So what's the spelling of Diwali? D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. And the second function name is Eid. E-I-D. Eid. E-I-D. Eid. And the third function is Holi. They are spreading the colors. What's the spelling of Holi? H-O-L-I. Holi. H-O-L-I. And then finally Christmas. Now it's a Christmas month, right? So what's the spelling of Christmas? CHRISTMAS, Christmas. CHRISTMAS, Christmas. Okay, children. So the places of prayer. From the first picture itself, you can able to identify this is temple, right? Hindus, they will go to temple. So what's the spelling of the temple? TEMPLE, temple. And this one, Gurudwar. Gurudwar. So what's the spelling? GURDWARA, Gurudwara. And this one, you all know, mosque. MOSQUE, mosque. And this one, finally, you all know it's a church. It's a place for Christians. CHURCH, not only Christians. So it's a prayer place for Christians. Okay, ma? So first one is temple, Gurudwar, mosque, and then church. Okay. So today we saw 3 pages, and children, please try to complete today itself. Okay, ma? So I am going to close the session. So children, bye bye. Miss you all. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Miss you all, my dear kids. Bye bye.